The Los Angeles County Sanitation Districts, headquartered in Whittier, serves the waste management needs of more than 5 million people, more than half of LA County. Diane Engler says the use of electric vehicles aligns well with the agency's mission.
We have a diverse passenger fleet of about 130 vehicles, and I'd say 52 of those are now electric.
As the agency's fleet engineer, one of her jobs was to figure out how best to keep those electric vehicles charged.
My role as a fleet technician was to research options available and to understand what each stakeholder needs. Each operation requires a certain performance from a vehicle and or charging station. I need to understand how often they need to charge, when they can charge. So it would be nice if I could say this is all plug and play, but it's not. It's a new technology and it's going to bring challenges.
Engler says that Southern California Edison's Charge Ready program was a tremendous help in overcoming many of those challenges.
We have 6 sites completed now. 4 of those sites were through the Charge Ready program. 2 of those sites were in-house, meaning I did the management. I can attest that you want to go through the Charge Ready program.
Through Charge Ready, SCE helps customers through every phase of EV charging infrastructure installation.
There are plans, there's permitting, there's ADA requirements, there's construction bidding, there's construction management. There's a lot of work to do. With the Charge Ready program, they take care of that. They left me to just buy the charging stations and the software. I really appreciate that.
And most importantly, there's the financial assistance Charge Ready provides.
For this site, this is our 24 port in Whittier. Edison brought the electricity in from the main feed, installed a transformer and a distribution panel at no cost to us, handled all of the planning and permitting, construction bidding, construction management. I don't think people understand what this is and how hard it is to get and how expensive it is. And it took a team of Edison people and trucks. There were probably 6 or 8 trucks here. The power had to be shut off. And they just do it like it's something they do every day. It was amazing. The SCE Charge Ready program was instrumental in providing us with electrical infrastructure, as well as some rebates on charging stations and free construction that lowered our capital costs and allowed us to meet the demand of the vehicles that we were putting into service by putting in charging stations a lot faster than we would have been able to otherwise. I highly recommend SCE's Charge Ready program. Utilize their expertise. Let them take the 1,000 headaches of construction for you.